Exercise 8.4, question number 5. Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. First part is prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So let's start this question number 5. First part is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This identity we have to prove. We can prove this identity from left side to right side, or even we can prove from right side to left side, but here we are going to proceed proving this identity from left side. So left hand side cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. This is equal to cosec theta, let us write 1 by sin theta, minus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta whole square. Taking LCM, sin theta, let us simplify 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta, which is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. This we can write 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin theta whole square. Square of numerator and denominator are written separately, and this is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin theta whole square is actually sin square theta, and sin square theta we are going to write 1 minus cos square theta. This is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta factorize using a square minus b square, because this one can be treated as 1 square minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta is in the form of a square minus b square. So factorizing 1 minus cos square, we can write 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, and this is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square, we are writing 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancelled. So it is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, and this is right hand side, hence proved. The same question, cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, can also be asked in this form. Just let's see. Cosec theta minus cot theta equal to under root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Question is same, only this part is asked in little different way. So how will you prove this result? This is also the same identity as this identity. The same identity given in this form will prove from right side to left side. It will be easier. So right hand side equal to under root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This you can write one minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. What we have done here, under this radical sign, denominator is 1 plus cos theta. We have multiplied by the opposite sign of 1 plus cos theta, that is multiplied numerator and denominator both under the radical sign by 1 minus cos theta. This is equal to under root 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Apply a square minus b square formula and we can write a square minus b square. That will be 1 square 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta, and this is equal to under root 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. Numerator is also square, denominator is also square. Now numerator and denominator squares we can write in combined way like this: 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. We can write like this. Under root a whole square quantity will be 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, because under square root sign 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square is there. So because of this whole square, square root will get cancelled and we will get 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. 1 minus cos theta by sin theta we can write like this: 1 minus sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta minus cos theta by sin theta cot theta, and this is left hand side, hence proved. So this way, if the same identity is asked in this form, prove that cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to under root 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, it can be proved like this. Second part, prove that cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to 2 sec a. So let us prove this second part. Cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin A by cos A equal to 2 sec A. So this identity also we will prove from left side. So left hand side is cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. We will simplify this left hand side and prove it to equal to right hand side. So let us simplify. Take LCM of denominator cos A and 1 plus sin A. So LCM is 1 plus sin A into cos A. Cos A into cos A, cos square A, plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square, and this is equal to cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square. Let us expand it using A plus B whole square formula. So 1 square 1 plus sin square A plus 2 into 1 into sin A, 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A, and this is equal to cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 into sin A. So we can write cos square A plus sin square A plus 1 plus 2 into sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Cos square A plus sin square A 1. 1 plus this 1, directly let us write 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Let us take 2 common from the numerator. So it is equal to 2 into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus sin A cancelled. So it is equal to 2 by cos A, which we can write 2 into 1 by cos A, and 1 by cos A is sec A, so 2 into sec A, and this is the right hand side, hence proved. Third part, prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So question number 5, third part is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. This we have to prove. Let's take left hand side. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. This left hand side we will convert in terms of sin and cos and simplify it and prove it equal to right hand side. So let us change tan and cot in terms of sin and cos. Tan theta we can write sin theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta plus cot theta we can write cos theta by sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. We have just converted tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Now we have to simplify it. So this is equal to sin theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. We can write sin theta into 1 sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. So this is sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta into 1 cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. This is equal to, now see this first part carefully, sin theta by cos theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. If you simplify this part, sin theta will be multiplied by this sin theta, it will be sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So this you can write sin theta by cos theta into sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta into cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta cos square theta by cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta. Now see this denominator, it is sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta, and see this denominator, it is cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta. This factor cos minus sin and sin minus cos we have to make same to same. So let us check, write this cos theta minus sin theta as sin theta minus cos theta. So minus sign will be out of this bracket, which will make this positive sign negative. So this is equal to sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta plus cos square theta divided by, we are going to write this cos theta minus sin theta as sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta into this sin theta. So when this cos theta minus sin theta, we have written sin theta minus cos theta, one minus sign will come out of this bracket, because from this bracket minus sign is taken common, and we are able to write cos minus sin as sin minus cos with this negative sign outside of this bracket. Now this negative sign will be multiplied with this positive sign, and this sign will become negative. So let us make this sign positive sign negative and remove this negative sign from this denominator. So you can understand it like this: this negative sign is multiplied with this positive sign and it has become negative. Now what we have to done at this stage here, that we are going to take common, not common, we are going to take LCM of these two denominators and simplify the expression. So let us take LCM of sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta. So LCM is sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta. So numerator here is sin square theta, and this is the denominator, sin minus cos into cos, and LCM is sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta. So sin theta will multiply this sin square theta and it will be sin cube theta. This minus sign is here, cos square theta is here, and this cos will multiply it once again, so it will become cos cube theta, and this is equal to denominator sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta. Now see the numerator, it is sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. So let us apply a cube minus b cube formula, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So let us apply that formula, and according to the formula we are going to write this numerator in factorized form, and it is sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta. this sin theta minus cos theta cancelled. This is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So this is equal to 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. This we can write 1 by cos theta into sin theta. So we can write 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. So sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Numerator and denominator both are same, so quotient is 1. And here 1 by cos theta is sec theta into 1 by sin theta is cosec theta plus 1, and this is right hand side, hence proved.